Hello everybody. Today we have with us on board Dr. Dinesh Jain, faculty member of Department of Entrepreneurship Education and Research at EDII. Welcome to the College India portal, sir.
Thank you.
Beginning with the interview, my first question to you is: you have held several positions at educational institutes throughout your professional career. What are the key factors that keep you connected to the education sector?
So, Nandi, if you see my, I would say, educational career, I was more of a student in the beginning. Then I was, I'll say, a researcher, and then a faculty. So all through, what I have tried is to share knowledge, and I would say impart knowledge. That's very important. Knowledge and then skill is what I focused on. So I thought that while going through my journey, I felt that the students or the fellow researcher or the peers, what one can learn from them is I would say knowledge sharing, learning by doing, and all these things. So these are key things that's very important for everyone. You need to enjoy what you are doing. And what I have, kind of also told my students, also kind of shared with my colleagues and all that. We need to share knowledge. We need to learn from each other. And then we need to also touch upon the people who couldn't have, I'll say that part of, I would say privileges of being towards, I would say higher education and all that. So that's what I have contributed to and learned also myself in my journey. A very short journey in a sense, but yes, I have learned.
Very well said, sir. Moving on, what is your philosophy on leadership and how would you like to describe your leadership style?
So if I have to, I would say describe my leadership style, it's more of, choice of freedom, So when I teach or when I, talk to the trainers, okay, I would say trainees, So what I shared with them that I'll say everything that they are doing has to be by choice. So if they have chosen to be an engineer, they need to give their 100% in that. Their focus has to be in that. Okay, that's what I have thought about. And they should choose their career very wisely. They should consult people, and then once they have chosen, they should not back out. That's very important. So I would say, for example, if I have chosen, I would say academics, I've always focused on that, It's not about, okay, I could have chosen something else, I would say being a manager somewhere and all that. So if it's about academics, my focus would be on research. My focus would be on good teaching. My focus would be on learning, or I would say preparing cases, okay? And also talking to people around and learning from the people who are around, small people and the big people, they give you a lot of learning. So that's what I have learned about leadership. Leadership by sharing, okay, in a sense, by choice. Choose what you are doing, then just back it. That's what I have learned.
That's a quite unique approach, sir. On that note, my next question to you is: what are some of the biggest challenges you see both for higher education in general and ADII specifically?
So if you look at challenges, for I would say higher education, the first thing is the change in technology. Nowadays, the learning has become, two-way in real sense. Earlier, it was, guru shishya and all that, and the people are in, face to face to each other, and the students were, kind of more receptive with what the guru is saying. But now it has become two-way, that the shishya, the student is also questioning some facts. Also, there is a lot of knowledge which is available, I would say, because of technology. And now, because of that, the guru also has to put in effort to have that pool of knowledge. He has to be correct as well. And he has to also read a lot. And the student is also reading. So now there is this two-way learning. So it's not that the guru is just teaching, he's also learning and then he's also sharing. So now these two people, the guru and the shishya, they both have to prepare. They both have to put in hard work. It's no longer a one-way learning, and it's no longer that, okay, you just give people what they want. You have to give them what they don't want, but they, need it. It's very important. Hard work is kind of going nowadays. People are looking for easy ways, shortcuts. That should not happen. The hard work has to be there for everything. Now, the hard work should not be for, I would say, the knowledge. The hard work has to be about, gaining knowledge and then sharing knowledge. That's what I think is the biggest challenge. And our institute is trying to, disseminate information about entrepreneurship, about making people, I'd say, entrepreneurial, more independent, making leaders. That's what we look at. So if you talk about entrepreneurship, it's no longer about entrepreneurship theory and practice. we are also focusing on the practice part more, I would say day-to-day interaction with the entrepreneurs that are there. So that's what I would say, that's what we are focusing on.
Absolutely. Very well said, sir. On that note, my last question to you would be, what are the few suggestions you would like to give to the aspiring students and the current youth?
So here, the current youth are, I would say quite knowledgeable. They are in a sense making choices. They are well aware of the things happening around them. But what they need to, focus upon is, also enjoy the journey, People these days, students these days are looking at destination. Okay, I wanted to be a doctor, I wanted to be engineer, I wanted to be an entrepreneur, I wanted to be a billionaire and all that. But what is important then is that you need to enjoy every day of your life while moving towards becoming a doctor or engineer. You need to enjoy every day, you need to learn and unlearn and then again learn few things. So it is very important. So one needs to enjoy the journey that is there. There could be mistakes, there could be failures, yes, there would be. But please enjoy those, because those days or those things will not come back again. So do enjoy them. If you're going to become an entrepreneur, great, learn from your failures. If you're going to become an engineer, okay, do experiments, fail, and then, finally you'll have something which is your own, which you have just created. So the lesson is enjoy the journey. It's not going to come back again. Enjoy it. Enjoy your youth. Enjoy your college life. And be a free soul in that sense.
Absolutely. Thank you for such an motivational answer, sir. On that note, I'd like to conclude the interview. That was Dr. Dinesh Jain, faculty member of Department of Entrepreneurship, Education and Research at ADIM. Thank you for your time, sir.
Thank you very much.